Hey everyone, it is Bhanuchandar here. Today I am going to share about understanding of data warehouse. In this video, you will learn about data warehouse architecture, how in the real time that the raw data converts into meaningful insights. So that means OLTP servers to and BA reports. So you will get to know exact picture of data warehouse seeing this video. Uh, let's get started. Usually in data warehouse, we have different components available, such as OLTP, ETL, staging area, OLAP, and BI. So we'll understand one by one. What is OLTP? OLTP stands for Online Transactional Processing System. It shows the day-to-day business transaction. That means all the transactional information available in OLTP servers. So coming to ETL. What is ETL? ETL stands for Extract Transformation Loading. It is a process of converting the raw data into information, meaningful information, with the required transformation and validation. That means we'll do all the transformations and validations in this ETL process. So coming to staging area. Staging area is the separate dedicated area to perform the required transformations. It can store the data only for the temporary period of time to do the transformations. If you see the data warehouse architecture, you will understand better. In the next slide, I'll show. In the staging area is the dedicated area. Just they will do all the transformations. Will do all the transformation in the staging area. It is a temporary area. Just we will use to do the transformation. After doing the transformation, we'll dump that, load that data, that structured data into data warehouse. That is called OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing System. Data warehouse is the process of converting the raw data into valid information with the help of ETL and thereby performing required reporting and analysis with the help of BI. Using BI, we will create meaningful insights and we'll do the analysis and reporting purpose. So in the real time, we will use data warehouse and we will take the structured data from data warehouse and connect to BI tools and create meaningful insights. So we'll go next slide. This is how looks like data warehouse architecture. For example, assume we have a use case like ABC Bank. ABC Bank is operating in US, UK, India, UK, US, India. So they want to know their business in the day-to-day. They want to know the business, how the business is happening in US, UK, India. They want to compare their business one country with many countries. In that purpose, usually we have to do the ETL process, right? Because in the UK currency is different, US currency is different, India's currency is different. If you want to compare, we have to convert currency conversion, right? Because in the servers are different, so servers data, it will store the data with currency as UK currency, US at dollar currency, and India rupees currency. So rupees. So definitely we need to do transformations. So this is a OLTP server data. We have to extract into staging area. I mean ETL tools. Using ETL tools, you know, right? ETL tools are we have available data stage, Informatica, SSIS. Yeah, using that tools, we will do the all the transformation. It is a staging area, not permanent store location to store the data. In that staging area, we'll do the all the required transformations and currency conversion. So we'll do a lot of things. Data stages and data flows we'll create. Such kind of things we'll do in the ETL process. That structured data will load into OLAP, Online Analytical Processing System, that is called data warehouse. This data warehouse is a permanent location. So using these data, structured data, BI people will use this data and generate meaningful insights. I mean, they'll do the analysis and do the reporting and create a report and uh, sending to business stakeholders. So they will take the business decisions based on the data, based on the reports. That is how this architecture involved. Uh, this is the data warehouse architecture, exact picture of data warehouse architecture. We'll understand a few more topics in data warehouse. First, we'll understand what is dimensions and what is measures. In the data warehouse, always the information gets stored in the form of master and transactional table. First, we'll understand what is master table. The table which contains the information about the business is known as master table. That means, example, product table contains the business in the form of supermarket. For example, product table, what are the columns available in the usually product category, product subcategory, and segment we have, right? The such kind of it is simple actually. Master table is nothing but dimension table. Remember that. Okay. Business in the form of supermarket. We have an course table in the college, employee table in the organization. Master table will always contain the unique information. To maintain the unique information, it always contain a primary key. You see, understand. In the dimension table, we have a primary keys usually, right? So coming to transaction table, the table which contains the metric information is known as transactional table. That means all the measuring points, all the transactional information, metric values are available in the transactional table, that is called fact table, right? Metrics are nothing but integers, as I told, or the numbers which are used to analyze the business. These metrics only are very important to analyze the business. So metrics are the measuring point of any business. The relationship between master and a transaction is master always acts as a parent and transaction act as a child, because without any business there is no transaction will exist. Yes, right. So transaction is a combination of foreign keys plus numeric information. We'll go to the next slide. We'll understand about types of schemas. In the data warehouse, we have two types of schemas available. We have star schema and snowflake schema. Schema is a collection of dimensions and facts. The schemas can be designed using dimensional modeling. First, we'll understand what is dimensional modeling. Dimensional modeling is the arrangement of the dimensions and the facts based on the requirement. So, we'll understand what is star schema. If all the dimension tables are directly attaching to the fact table, then such kind of arrangement is known as star schema. So here you can understand this is a fact table. Fact table is centralized, it's in the center, surrounded by the dimension table. In this dimension table, we have a primary key. Will give the relationship to fact table using foreign key. That is, this is how star schema we'll go to the Snowflake schema. Snowflake schema, if all the dimension tables are not directly attached to the fact table, then such kind of arrangement is known as Snowflake schema. Here you can see fact table here surrounded by the dimension table. That dimension table, on top of it another dimension table is connected. So this is how looks like a Snowflake schema, and there might be connect another table also. It depends on the situation, depends on the requirement. I hope you understand data warehouse architecture. I explained. I hope you understand well. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks everyone. So next, I will in the next video I will start with the SQL scenario based interview questions. In the next video, I will start with that which I have faced in the interview. Thank you. Thank you so much.